Hi everyone, you are watching VK's Home Decor. If you want to create a beautiful home interior design or renovate your home, then this video will be very helpful. The modern home is absolutely incomplete without the latest interior design. I love to share the topic about home interior design ideas and tips, home renovation, home makeover, by your own ideas and thoughts. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more updates. Today we will discuss about the modern wall-mount aquarium design ideas for your home. The modern aquarium will play a very unique and important focal point in your home. The modern aquarium is play a very unique and important focal point in your home. If you want to make your home by modern touch with the art and nature element, then definitely go with the fish tank aquarium. It gives more refresh and stress relief to your home. Now aquarium became a big component of modern home, commercial building and offices that can make more soothing and stunning effect in your home and office. It brings the nature effect in your home. Aquarium wall is a great tool for separating living room and dining room, suitable for open concept homes and small spaces. You can find a clever ways to use it in a variety of modern style and how to utilize the aquarium partition wall in your home. Flowing water is the beautiful to admire with the water sound is very relaxing and pleasing to the eyes and ears. This sound makes feel relaxed and comfortable to spend the time. It's so beautiful to see the green or blue flowing water, fish crawling in the tank. Flowing water sound and fish as the swimming is very beautiful and pleasing effect to eyes and ears. It helps to relieve your stress life. A well-decorating aquarium gives more appealing and centerpiece of attractive in your home. The aquarium is not means only a fish tank, it means a lot. If you want to space save, then integrate into a home wall. You can create the wall aquarium for your living room partition. It's good idea for open concept home. It gives more interior touch and separate the room. A beautiful aquarium would become a perfect addition to your entrance area. A small amount of water with fish is always good to keep anywhere in your home. It gives more good luck, wealth, peace and health and reducing your BP level. There are many ideas to make your aquarium in your home by modern interior design. It's all depends upon your budget, taste and style. Choose either natural aquarium or artificial depends upon your taste. The aquarium design should be real fish, sponge, aquarium sand, gravel, stone, natural plants, rocks, shells, add some colors. A beautiful aquarium would become a perfect addition to our entrance area. If you have more budget built in the wall, the Walmart aquarium budget is high and put more effort for maintenance. Or if you have the budget constraint, then choose the fish tank.